Manette Ferrarin.
Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Isn't she precious? Less than 1 minute old. I never thought love would be making water slowly as she. But isn't she lovely? Me from love. Isn't she pretty? Julie the age.
Manette Ferrarin at 18.
Hi Monette, I'd like to wish you a happy birthday. Enjoy your debut party with your family and friends. Take care and God bless always.
Mag-message ka naman sa Tito Jimmy mo. Siya naglakad ng mga papeles mo. Pakonsuelo mo na lang. Besides, dito ka rin sa amin titira. Kaya kailangan magkasundo rin kayo. What's the problem ba, Justine? All set na tayo. Sino? Si Jen. Yung kaibigan mo hindi ko maintindihan. Hindi naman kagandahan.
Hi Monette, Tita Anfeo here. I heard it's your birthday today. Happy 18th birthday, Langga. Stay happy, healthy, sexy, and pretty. Enjoy your special day. God bless. Mwah.
Kumusta po kayong lahat?
Mabuti! Sasagot!
Maraming salamat po sa pagdalo ninyo ngayong gabi. I'm sure mag-enjoy kayo sa movie na to. Promise.
Ang ganda ng balat ni
Hi Monette, I'm your Tito Lloyd. I know you haven't met me yet because I'm based in Manila. Well, I wanted to visit Davao long before, but I never got the chance because of work. And I'm also one of your parents' friends here. Your dad and I used to stream together on 17 Live, and currently we're on the same team as well under X Squad, headed by the singer Christian Bautista, and we stream on TikTok. So right now, I'd just like to take time out to greet you on a very special day. Happy 18th birthday. I know it's exciting as you're entering a new phase, but remember to always stay grounded. And life doesn't offer a bed of roses. Even roses would have thorns. So best to avoid them. And if ever you encounter challenges, don't forget or don't hesitate to ask your parents.
Afternoon, ito po si Charlie Fry ng The Voice Generations at ng PhilSCAP. At binabati ko lang si Monette Ferraren ng isang happy 18th birthday. Dalaga ka na Iha at sana ay magkaroon ka ng maraming blessings sa iyong birthday. At siya nga pala, may babati sa iyo dito special na to kaibigan natin, si Mr. Hugo ng Black Rider, Archie Adamos.
Hello there. Hi, Monette. From here on, 18 years and all the way. God
Yes.
bless.
Yes.
For you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Monette!
Happy 18th birthday, Monette. And I heard you're into singing, you're into dancing and art. So, tuloy mo lang yung talent mo, just like your dad. And yeah, I wish you more. I wish you good luck and success sa mga future plans mo. Aside your studies, yung talent mo, tuloy mo lang. So again, Monette, happy birthday.
Hello, bye! Dave! Kumusta na? Gusto ko lang batiin ang napakaganda mong anak sa kanyang happy 18th birthday. Happy birthday, Munit! Hangad ko ang tagumpay sa iyong mga pangarap. Long life! God bless!
Hi, Monette. Tita Anfeo here. I heard it's your birthday today. Happy 18th birthday, Langga. Stay happy, healthy, sexy, and pretty. Enjoy your special day. God bless. Mwah.
Hi Monette, I'd like to wish you a happy birthday. Enjoy your debut party with your family and friends. Take care and God bless always.
Hi, Monette. Tita Anfeo here. I heard it's your birthday today. Happy 18th birthday, Langga. Stay happy, healthy, sexy, and pretty. Enjoy your special day. God bless. Mwah.
Hey Monette, happy 18th birthday. I hope that this year will be a momentous year for you. Happy birthday.
Hi, Monette! Happy 18th birthday! God bless you!
And enjoy your birthday and stay beautiful, enjoy the slide. Yeah. Bye.
Isang kalayaan na paborito ko ay ang kalayaan ko na kumanta ng kahit anong kanta. Ikaw, bakit mo gusto ang kalayaan mo? Usap tayo? Mag-stream ako sa TikTok mamayang 5 PM. Kita-kita tayo doon.